Hi, welcome to our channel Flipkart Fake or Not Game Show. Their questions is Satyajit Ray was the first Indian to win an Oscar. Fake. Two. Second one, email is older than the internet. Not fake. Infosys was started with a loan of 10,000 from Sudhamurthy. Not fake. Fourth one, yellow frogs emerged is Madhya Pradesh as a result of COVID-19. Fake. Snooker was invented in Jabalpur. Not fake. This is questions. Play and win. Thank you friends. Please subscribe our channel and like. Thank you.